Brad Williams, Excel Prime.
In this section, you're going to learn how to perform basic worksheet operations, which include quick and easy ways to perform basic worksheet operations. 2, shortcuts on learning the fundamentals of Excel worksheets. 3, the secrets to working with Excel windows. 4, quick ways to activate a worksheet. 5, 3 tips on adding a new worksheet to your workbook. 6, 1 simple step to deleting your worksheet. 7, renaming your worksheet fast. 8, 10 seconds to change your sheet tab color. 9, organize your worksheets the way you want. 10, the good and bad of hiding and unhiding worksheets. 11, change how you view a worksheet. 12, Excel simple side-by-side sheet comparisons. 13, stop the top row from moving, freezing panes. 14, how to monitor cells using a watch window. 15, working with rows and columns, fast and easy. 16, making changes to row heights and column widths. 17, hide columns and rows in a snap. This section we'll be covering quite a bit about workbooks, worksheets, and windows. What I'm going to show you is how to navigate worksheets and help you work more efficiently through Excel. Number of Excel tips along the way. In Excel, a spreadsheet is synonymous with a worksheet. And a worksheet is part of the workbook. A workbook, like the chapters in a book, are many. You can create as many chapters or many workbooks and as many worksheets as you want. We'll discuss all of this in this section, so let's get started.
Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thank you.